Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the next part of the synopsis, The Swiss Family Robinson, written by John David Wills. Means really we realize that whatever we learn this part of the lesson, really we realize that this lesson really teaches us, means that adventure, how this lesson is related to adventure. Also this lesson is related to self-reliance, determination, love for this family, cooperation also this lesson teaches us the geometry, mathematics and natural sciences. Whatever we learn this part, we really realize this. Isn't it? Okay, we will now continue to the next part of the story. Okay. Thinking ahead of the winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage, soft to protect themselves and their belongings. Means father, he was really a knowledgeable person. See, means because he think about ahead there was a winter coming ahead, there was winter, and that's why father decided to create a place from the elements, a strong storage, soft to protect themselves and their belongings. Means father decided to how to protect from the winter, and that's why he in his mind to create the idea to create a safe place from to protect from the winter. Okay, Fritz came up with the idea. Means they discuss with the create to a safe place, and that time Fritz, means he came up with the new idea in his mind about the, and which is the new idea, to create a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out their own cave. Not finding other caves, but they thought that they are going to carve the cave to their own in the rock, which is awaiting their camping site, which is a boundary of their camping site, where there was their house on the tree, and their side of that house there was a rock. Okay, there was a rock. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimension for an opening, and they pick away at the hard surface with their axes, chisels, hammers and shovels, and their father marked the dimension, means he marked some sign on the rock to open, and they pick away at the hard surface, means they open the mouth of the cave. Okay, on that hard surface with the help of some equipment. Which equipment? Chisels, hammers and shovels and axes also. Okay, chisels means which is a cutting tool which cut the hard objects, which cut the like metal or rocks, and shovels means hard tool with the which has the handle. Okay, hammers everyone know, which we are using for to break the stone or to break the rock. Okay, like this way they use the object to pick the hard surface of the rock. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross current of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. And next several days, family cut windows in the rock to allow the cross current of air. मतलब अच्छी तरह से हवा अंदर आने के लिए और अच्छी तरह से सनलाइट आने के लिए उसने केव्स को मतलब विंडो बनाई. When they had finished, they had 4 rooms, and when they had finished their work, that time they create in that cave a 4 room. They had created 4 rooms in that cave. Okay, complete with a fireplace. In that, with that 4 rooms, there were a kitchen also. Understood? They made a kitchen in that, means fireplace means here kitchen. They now had a new winter home. Like this way they made their new winter house. It was their third house, which is cave. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. They made the window also for that house, but the light is not sufficient there, and that's why they means which light is not suffocate there, which is not sufficient there. Oppressive means sufficient or suffocate. And for the remedy, they searched the remedy also. For that, father and Jack rig up a new light. Father and Jack rig means they construct a new light. Okay, they construct the new light. Means how they construct the new light? See, rig up means to construct. Rig up means to construct. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor. Means they take a bamboo pole and they which is reach from floor to the ceiling. Floor to the ceiling means जमीन से छत तक वो पहुँच सकता था bamboo. Then after would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp. And Jack climbed on the top of the pole and he hung a large oil lamp on that pole, which they had rescued from the ship. Means that oil lamp they rescued from there, which that ship was stuck by the great storm. Okay. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next part.